Hello, I am Mrs. Smith, the 6th and 7th grade art teacher here at IMS. I am going to introduce myself and tell you a little bit more about the 6th grade art program. So again, I'm Mrs. Smith and I live in Grimes, Iowa with my husband and son Cameron, who's 10 years old, and also my cat named Twigs. I have been teaching for 22 years now, art, and I love my job and I can't wait to see what you guys create. That is my favorite part of my job, is to teach you skills and just see your imagination and creativity go wild. So basically in 6th grade, it's kind of exploratory. We build off skills from elementary school. We do drawing, painting, and sculpture, and it's going to be a great time. I will share this out. Somehow it'll get shared with everybody, so parents will and students will have access to the standards, the art pacing guide, and expectations and procedures. These are a list of our projects that we do. The pacing guide would have more details on that. We practice the studio habits of artists. And as far as extracurricular activities, we do have an IMS art club. 6th grade is first semester. So that is for people who really like art and want to come be social after school a couple times, 1 or 2 times per month. And that information will be in the middle school newsletter on how to sign up. I will also announce it in class. We do a piece poster contest. This is actually a project in first semester around October, September. And it's an international contest. And this year's theme, if you want to start thinking about it, is bringing peace to the world through one child at a time. Students must be age 11, 12, or 13 by November 15th to be eligible for the actual contest, but everyone will be doing this project. These are the last year's winners, and the top 3 students in the Lions Club picks the winners. They get a plaque. They each get a plaque with their design on it, so that's cool. So we do have an art event in April for 6th through 9th graders. I usually take about 25 kids, more advanced artists. If any 6th grader thinks they are more advanced and is interested in art field trip, please email me or just let me know in class, and I will give you more information about emerging excellence. I choose students for the Des Moines Art Festival, 6th through 8th grade. So these are the students from last year, and they do get a medal for participating. And also Youth Art Month. We choose students to go in that exhibit. And then we have a school-wide Black History poster contest that will be announced in the spring, but I'll let students know about it before that, since I don't have 6th graders in the spring. And then there's some more information about me. So I am very excited to meet everyone, and hope you all have a great day. Thanks.